Hello guys, this is the live scene of MotoGP in Malaysia Sepang circuit. Usually we watch it live on TV, but this round we got the distance closer with a Grand Prix ticket sponsored by Model. Although we don't have VIP access to the paddock, but let us check out together on what we can enjoy over here. Upon passing the entrance, there were tons of booths showcasing their products. So let's start the journey with an immersive tour. Finally, the race was starting. Can't wait anymore. Wow, race begins. Okay, let's listen to the live soundtrack. Waving checkered flag, racing.